go.
Okay, you want to do it this time? Okay, ready? Careful. 1, 2, 3. Goosh. Okay, now kick those feet. Kick your feet. Good. Kick your feet. I'm going to hold your hand. Kick your feet. That's your favorite word right now. Yes. Ready? I'm going to spin you around. Kick.
Wow.
Go ahead. Kick your feet.
Wow, there you go.
Go ahead.
No, mommy.
Okay, no, mommy. Careful. You're going to spin right around. That's it.
Wow, look at that.
Look at those feet.
I know. Wow, she's getting a lot more brave.
What's that? It's a big floaty. It's a big floaty. When you get older, when you get to be a big girl, you can sit on it and you float around the pool. Look at that face. That's it. You gotta use your legs.
Wow, that's a big improvement, honey, as far as being, you know, movement and wanting to do it by herself.
Yeah. That's the vacuum. It cleans the pool. It's a pool vacuum.